Kopi Nangka is a popular nickname for Liberika coffee, a type of coffee known for its distinctive aroma reminiscent of jackfruit. In addition to its aroma, Liberika coffee is also recognized for its large beans, which are nearly twice the size of Robusta or Arabika beans. Liberika coffee has a lower caffeine content compared to Robusta or Arabika coffee. Liberika coffee is commonly found in rural areas of Indonesia, particularly in the East Java region. Liberika coffee plants can thrive in lowland areas, including coastal regions. In some regions, Liberika, also known as Kopi Nangka, has been developed into MSME, micro, small, and medium enterprises, products in various processed forms, such as ground coffee, instant coffee, and even derivative products like jackfruit tea.